I do not own rights to this music, but I would first start off by saying congrats to you and finding your passion. That passion was hidden for a very long time. I'm happy you found it. I'm happy you found me on this particular channel. Now that you have found your passion, it's time to turn that passion into profit. You might ask yourself, how do I do that? How do you do it? Take my course, and I guarantee you'll find it. You will build your business. You will build that empire. You will build that legacy for yourself and for your family. Your future you is going to thank you. Your future family members are going to thank you. You have become the best, the better version of yourself. Now become the expert. Become the wealth building machine. Become that one in your family that started a business and you have leveled up to success. Join my course today, riseroyals100 at gmail.com. That's RISEROYALS 100 at gmail.com. Let us get this started. Your legacy is waiting. I am excited to help you get to your legacy. The path to success starts with clicking into my bio, clicking into my email. Sign me up. That's all you have to say in email. Sign me up and we get started. Classes start soon. Spaces are limited. And I would like to see you on the other side. Blueprint to success. Enjoy.